Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. And it is so simple, it's going to blow your mind. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to tell you right now, it's just one color. One color. Look at how that looks. Looks like I've got like 2-3 different colors on. No, honey. One color. So I was at Sephora shopping around and I came across this eyeshadow and I swatched and I was like, I need to have that in my life. And I'm going to have to get more of these because they're so freaking gorgeous. Easy to use, blendable, and as you can see, it's pigmented. Does it crease on me? No, it doesn't. So this is from Danessa Myricks and this is Twin Flames. Look at this. Look at it. So this is what the applicator looks like. And look at even on there. See how it changes purple, green, kind of brownish. Gorgeous. So I've already, and this is going to be a short video because really there's nothing to this, okay? This is all I use for my whole eye look, except for obviously mascara and liner, but my lower lashes was this too, okay? So I am going to be using my rougher brush number 1. That one right there. That's all I'm going to use. One brush. So we're going to take this, and I already put eyeshadow primer on my eyes too as well, okay? So we're going to go ahead and apply it like this. Now I'm just putting it on the lid, okay? Just like that. Now I'm going to take my brush right here, and I'm going to pat it and start blending it in. I mean, this can't be any easier, you guys. Seriously. What I love about this, besides it being so pigmented, is it blends like a dream. Normally when you have shadows like this, especially if you're using a palette, you know, sometimes it's hard to really blend it out. You know, it's like you get that line sometimes. This is just like, it's just unbelievable. The formula is just so gorgeous. I mean, oh my God. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Now you're going to see me wear this in a couple of videos. I would say this is more of an evening look for me personally. So just keep that in mind, okay? But it's just so gorgeous. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love that it's just a one and done eye look. I mean, look at that. Now I'm going to take it. I'm going to wipe it off a little bit. And I'm going to put this on my lower. Really carefully up my lower lash line, okay? Now I'm going to take this. This is my Sigma. I don't even know what it is. I can't read it, but it's just one of these brushes. BK Beauty has this too. I just grabbed this one, okay? And I'm just going to go here and we're going to. Rougher has brushes like this too. We're just blending this out. I need to. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to let's clean that up a little bit. Now I'm going to take this eyeliner. This is the Gwen Stefani one. I'm not really a fan of this, but that's what I'm using today. It feels like it's kind of messy. I don't really like it. But I'm just going to put that in my tight line. It's just a messy eyeliner. I'm just not a fan of that. Somebody talked about it, said how amazing it is and doesn't transfer. It transfers. I don't know what to say. Transfers on me. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Now, if I wanted to, I could put a little bit above it, black, but I feel like this is enough. This is pretty dramatic for me. I'm going to apply my mascara, probably several coats. I mean, I just did that in, what, 5 minutes? Oh my God, so pretty. I definitely need to get more of these. I don't know what other colors there are, but like I said, I saw this one. I thought, oh my God, that is such a pretty color. And I love it because it's like such an easy, dramatic look. It's very dramatic, for sure. This can't be any easier, especially if you're someone like, maybe you're still not comfortable with doing makeup. Like, this is so it's just gorgeous, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Mama needs more mascara. Okay, so this is my final eye look. You guys, this is so pretty. So pretty. It wears really, really well on me too. I know this is dramatic, so it wouldn't be like an everyday look for me, okay? One thing I should play around with is trying this. I'm going to have to play around with this and even, maybe do a look where I just have it on the outside and then maybe put a lighter color in here so it's not as dramatic kind of a thing. But that's not the point of this, though. The point of this is just to do one color. It looks like I've got several different colors on, depending on where the light's hitting me. It is so pretty. And again, this wears really, really well on me. I didn't find any creasing. I always wear an eyeshadow primer. The one that I'm wearing is this one today. It's from Trish McAvoy, and it's in the color Bear, I believe. Yes, it's in the color Bear. That's the one that I use today. But I also like the one from NARS. The one from NARS is really, really nice too. So I definitely would recommend always wearing an eyeshadow primer. I feel like an eyeshadow primer is going to work, in my opinion, better than foundation and a concealer. If I use a foundation or concealer, it always creases on me. This, using an eyeshadow primer specifically made for the eye area, and I highly, highly, highly recommend using one, okay? So I cannot recommend this enough. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. You don't get a lot of color in here. You can see it's very small, but you don't have to use a lot. And this isn't something you would be wearing every day. I mean, I'm not going to wear this every day. This is something that I'm going to pop out if I'm going to go out in the evening or something like that. This isn't a daytime look. You're going to see this in several videos because I always tell you guys I film ahead of time. So beautiful. So beautiful. Highly recommend it. So if you wear these and you have a favorite color, please, please, please share it in the comments below because I would love to try another one. This was the only one they had left at my Sephora. I can always order it online too, but please, please, please let me know what your favorite is. And thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.